In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale objects in AutoCAD quickly and accurately. Start by selecting the object or objects you want to resize. Once selected, type SC in the command line and press Enter to launch the scale command. Next, choose a base point that will act as the anchor for the scaling operation. After that, you can either move your cursor to scale the object visually or enter a precise scale factor. For example, entering 2 doubles the size, while 0.5 reduces it to half. You can also use the copy option to create a scaled duplicate while keeping the original object unchanged. For greater accuracy, try the reference option, which lets you scale based on a known measurement. This is especially useful when adjusting imported drawings or correcting objects that were drawn at the wrong size. With a little practice, scaling objects becomes a fast and essential part of your AutoCAD workflow. Mastering the scale command helps you resize drawings efficiently while maintaining proper proportions. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.